question, if a person wants to design the letters of the alphabet with a little ornament as a minuscule diamond or a little tear in a very elegant and respectful way to each letter as the beautiful books of our scroll, that in some of them we can find this. Should we ask for permission to the rabbi that wrote the book, or another rabbinical authority before releasing it to the public? And could this be done by a woman? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
So I'm trying to understand. We're trying to take existing book, let's say from ArtScroll, and say so sometimes in the beginning of paragraphs, like a section, they have like one like a huge letter. That's what we're talking about. To make it like sparkling or something.
Yeah, for instance, in the covers of the books.
Oh, the covers.
To add this designs to the letters, to the aleph.
I don't.
Okay.
I mean, if it's readable and just beautification, I don't think there's a problem, right? So it seems like you will not be allowed to produce these books with your design, but for you to have it, or you buy three of books and you like decorate. Let's say a lady bought like Tehillim. There is a beautiful like Tehillim leather bound from ArtScroll, the different colors, right? And so if she wants to put the diamond, this and that, like Swarovski diamond, something, there is no problem. Of course, it's respectful and stuff like that.
Prince also asking if would this be allowed for a woman to do it?
I don't think there is an issue. There should not be an issue. So we're not infringing on our scroll designs. Like I bought it and I want to beautify. I give it to my friend. I want to beautify as use as my own Tehillim or my own Siddur. There's no problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Our friend says that thing is that when our friend wrote the question, it says his rabbi should ask permission to his rabbi. Our friend, this was my mistake. Our friend was referring to ask permission to one's rabbi to do this, not the author of the book.
Oh, okay.
Our friend says,
I mean that's nothing. Person is not doing anything forbidden. So I mean, he wants to ask a rabbi. She wants to ask rabbi. There is no problem. Maybe I would say to show if it's changing the letters, it's not recognizable. For example, too much decoration. That would be an issue, of course. But otherwise, should not be an issue.
Thank you, Princess. Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.